Plants are autotrophs. They are primary producers. They produce their own food through photosynthesis. The presence of chloroplasts, which conducts photosynthesis, are main structures within these organisms. So plants generally have specific morphological features. They have these openings called stomata. And if you remember, the process of photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide and then releases oxygen. These enter and exit the stomata. Of course, in many cases, plants have vascular tissue. So, what are vascular tissues? Vascular tissues, for example, are xylem, which are these fine tubes that distribute water and minerals. And then phloem, another type of vascular tissue, distributes sugars made from photosynthesis. So if we look at the cross section of a leaf, we'll notice the vascular tissue, these veins, xylem and phloem. And then on your leaves, of course, you have stoma and many stomata, which are openings that allow the gases carbon dioxide and oxygen to be released. Of course, when we talk about plants, most of us think of angiosperms or flowering plants because we see these flowers, we see pollen, we have our pollinators, bees and insects, and of course, fruit from these types of plants. But specifically, there are four different types of plants. So the first group, bryophytes, these are non-vascular, so they lack xylem and phloem. These includes mosses, hornworts or liverworts. And so they pretty much grow close to the ground. Liverworts, hornworts, but you know your mosses are as these carpeted green plants that grow pretty much on barks of trees, concrete, any place that's moist.